Hello students, welcome to Business English and General Awareness. Today we will start with Business English Unit 1. Unit 1 is about use of phrasal verbs in business English. So before commencing towards phrasal verbs, we should know what is business English. Business English is a form of English specially suited to international trade, commerce and finance. It is typically used in business meetings, sales presentations, negotiations, business correspondence, business reports and executive summaries. Business English has two categories, vocabulary or rather business vocabulary. It refers to the words and phrases used in business world. Many English words used in business are specialized and would not be understood even by many native English speakers. So vocabulary of business is different from the regular vocabulary you use in daily life. The other category is functional language. That is, study and practice of language and language skills needed to conduct various typically business functions such as running a meeting, negotiating, or making a presentation in English. So, how you speak the business language is business English. Parts of speech. Coming up to parts of speech, it is the categories of words that indicate how the words function grammatically in a sentence. So it indicates how words relate to each other and are important for construction of proper sentences. These are the main 8 parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, adjective, adverbs, etc. These are common in English grammar. But in order to understand English vocabulary, we should also know the meaning of these 8 parts of speech. So the first one is noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal or idea. For example, Ram, zoo or India, table, joy or tiger. All these are nouns. These are some examples of noun in the figure given. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. For example, she, he, we, they, their. So all these are pronouns. A verb is an action word that expresses action or being. For example, live, buy, save, hurry, sing, ride, become, go, etc. So wherever action is involved, a verb is involved. Adjectives. Adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjective mostly answers questions like which one, what kind or how many. Like how smart are you? So smart, old, pretty, all these are adjectives. Adverbs are words that describe a verb, an adjective or even another adverb. It often ends with ly. For example, gently, beautifully, well, etc. These mainly answer the questions of when, where, how, why, among others. Now coming up to prepositions. Prepositions are words placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase. For example, about, with, until, etc. These are other prepositions that you may use in English. Then comes conjunction. A conjunction joins word, phrases or clauses. It indicates the relationship between the elements joined. For example, but, because, while, or, yet, for, and, etc. All these are conjunction words. Then comes interjection. Interjection expresses emotion. It is often followed by an exclamation point. Hey, so here is the exclamation point after hey. Can you pass the ball? So aha, all these are hey, you, bravo. All these words ending with exclamation mark is interjection. So these are all the parts of speech In next session, we would understand phrasal verbs. Thank you.